Interactive Brokers Crypto Investment Platform Review, Usage Experience. Links to Interactive Brokers crypto platform are in the description below. In today's review, I'll be discussing Interactive Brokers Crypto Investment Platform, a comprehensive platform that combines traditional trading with cryptocurrency offerings. Interactive Brokers, known for its robust financial tools and global access, has recently ventured into the cryptocurrency market, and in this video, we'll break down the features and what it offers to investors. Interactive Brokers offers a unique advantage to those who are already using the platform for stock, options, or forex trading. The crypto offering is integrated seamlessly into the same account, allowing for easy portfolio management across asset classes. The platform supports trading in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash, and offers access to these cryptos in a way that feels familiar to traditional investors. A major draw is low trading fees, significantly lower than many other crypto platforms. For active traders or those planning to make multiple transactions, this can be a big benefit. Additionally, Interactive Brokers provides institutional-grade security to protect your crypto investments, leveraging their extensive expertise in safeguarding assets. The platform itself is designed for investors who are already familiar with the trading world. Interactive Brokers is not for complete beginners, as it requires some understanding of financial markets. However, for experienced traders, the platform's advanced tools, like real-time market data and detailed charting features, make it an appealing choice for those who want to track and optimize their investments closely. One potential downside to Interactive Brokers is its limited range of supported cryptocurrencies. It's focused on the major players like Bitcoin and Ethereum, which means altcoin investors may need to look elsewhere. Additionally, its lack of a mobile app for crypto trading might be a deal breaker for those who prefer trading on the go. In conclusion, Interactive Brokers provides a solid, secure, and cost-effective option for seasoned investors looking to include cryptocurrencies in their portfolio. It's ideal for those already using the platform for traditional assets and who want to keep their investments in one place. Check the description for links to get started with Interactive Brokers crypto platform today.